Okay, hello internet. So today I was trying to install the Phalcon PHP framework on my Linux Mint, but I was having some troubles. So in order to fix those problems, I had to do some, uh, you know, workout arounds, and I wish to share my experience with you guys. So you see, after executing this command, when I tried to install Phalcon, I was getting the errors. So in order to fix that error, what I did is I opened up my file explorer, then root, then etc apt sources.list.d, and see that Phalcon stable.list. So I made some changes in this file. Open this thing. Initially when you open it, you will get these two lines originally. These two are not here before. So what it says that uh, you know add this repository for Linux Mint Tessa version, but the thing is that uh, Phalcon does not have a Linux Mint official version. That's why it could not find the Phalcon framework. I suppose that's why I was getting those errors. So in order to fix that, what I did is simply commented these two lines out, and this Linux Mint Tessa, I replaced them with debian stretch. You could also use Ubuntu and the corresponding Ubuntu version. Sorry, in this case I'm using debian. So once you do this, you save this thing. Oh, and one more thing, you need to use root permission here. Okay, so you can open this thing as root, enter password, then you will be able to edit this thing. Or if you know how to use the terminal, you can use something like sudo vim Phalcon, then enter your password and then make edits. So I'll just skip through this part. Once that's done, you can come back to the terminal, and as you can see, I've already installed it. So you have to do is sudo apt-update. This will update all the packages, and in these lines we're not getting any errors now. Okay, after that, if you make a search apt-get search Phalcon, you can see these are the available packages. So if you check for the PHP version in my computer, you can see that I've got PHP 7.2. That's why I chose PHP 7.2 Phalcon. So we have sudo apt install PHP 7.2 Phalcon, and it installed the Phalcon in my laptop. I suppose we should check Phalcon version in a different way. That's not the command, so the terminal could not find Phalcon, but it is installed. So that's how you fix the problem. I hope this video helps you guys fixing your problems with Phalcon installation. Thanks for watching.